All I'm saying is that I hit the best whoa. Don't at me. Oh!
I wasn't even trying that time.
The biggest thing with hitting the whoa is you gotta be loose. If you're not loose, then how are you supposed to get into it? A good stretch is right here and right here. When you hit the whoa, you can't be like, you know what I'm saying? You can't, you know what I'm saying? You can't just be all over the place. You can't be all over the place. I've been where you're at. I've been in your situation before. But now I'm here to help you. You have to be able to take my advice. You do not know what you're doing. You might think you know what you're doing. You might have been doing it and your friends have been getting lit. But once they leave, they say, man, he could not hit, she could not hit the wall properly. Don't ever do this. First of all, what is this? What are you doing? But I learned from somebody once. I tried to do that once. And it was embarrassing. He told me, look, just do this. He said, just do this. That's all he did. Just like that. Everybody was like, yeah. I don't need to. What are you doing? After you boom like that, now everybody's asking, what you about to do next? You might be doing a little tap, everybody in there, tap. And then after that, then you go like this, everybody like, yeah. And then what happens? Then this is what comes down to the beat. It goes boom, 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 boom. What are you doing? What are you doing? If you're more comfortable, you know what I'm saying, going right over the left, to go right. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying, you don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying, you don't have to do that. Hey, you don't have to do that. Hey, yeah, I ain't have to do that. 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, boom. And sometimes in your head, a lot of y'all off beat. A lot of y'all be saying, y'all be hearing the boom, and then you go, that's off beat. You blue facing it. You blue facing it. You're bust down Tatiana in it. Practice. It's almost like hitting the whip, but without sinking your hips, basically. If you really think about it. Cause when you hit the whip, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I just hit the whip. I'll tell you, I'm a professional. So I can do a lot of this stuff off the fly. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this all together. Alright? So you just have to imagine that there's a big group of people. Hey, everybody's hype. Hey, tap. It's almost like if you a football player, you're doing a ladder. In, out. Hey. Ooh. Basically, now we put this all together. Here we go. Tap. Hey, yeah. Thanks for watching that video. I just taught you how to do something. So you better hit that like and subscribe button.